This conference will now be recorded.
In previous session, we have seen the JavaScript variable, which we declared with var on the let keyword. Let's see what is constant in JavaScript and how we can use a constant in JavaScript. So whenever you want to create a constant variable, means you cannot change the value of that variable once you initialized. So to declare a constant variable, we have to use const keyword. Once you use const keyword, the value what you will assign, you cannot change it. Instead of let or var, if you const that the value what is being assigned to variable cannot be reassigned. If you try to do that, then you will throw the error message. Let me see how it happens. So I'm doing in the same Visual Force page what we have developed. You can see I have open in the development mode. So this is my page code. So let's I'm just going to delete all the code what we have written before. Okay. Now let's see what I'm going to do here. I'm going to create a value using my var. So which I gave, let me keep this code for you so that I can share with you later in the tutorial. Okay. So if you see here, I'm just going to declare a value with const. To do that, I'm just removing everything here. So now let's consider you have a var number one, which I have just declared. Then later I have initialize number one as a 10. Then I'm going to do the alert number one. Okay. Then after I do the alert, then again I'm going to change the number one value as 20. Then again I'm going to do the alert as number one. So now I have two alert statement for my number one variable where I have value as 10 and value as 20 once again. So now if I save it, what is going to happen? Let me see. First alert statement came on line number 10. I got 10. Then again my execution will go to number 1 equal 20 in line number 12. Then again I will show alert. Let me see if it happens or not. See, again I come 20. So if you create a variable with the var or let, you can change the value of it as I changed from 10 to 20. But instead of this, if I will try, let me comment this code completely, whatever I have used. For commenting, I can use this class. Anyhow, I will talk about this in one session completely. So now I have commented this code. So this code is not going to execute now. I'm going to write one variable which using the const keyword. So whenever you want to declare a constant, simply use const as a keyword. So const, let's see number one. So I didn't initialize it right now. Later I want to initialize to number one equal to 10 and I want to do alert. Let me show you what is going to happen here. If I try to do number one as alert, if I save it, see you can see the error. Missing initializer in const declaration. So first it says whenever you declare a const, immediately initialize value to it. Okay. So I initialize the value and I'm doing the alert statement. You can see this right now here. This line number 15 and line number 16. If I save it, see I got the value 10 as my alert statement. So now later if I try to change number one value, okay, anywhere after initialization in immediate after line 15 or anywhere if you try to initialize the value, what is going to happen? Let me save it. So now alert statement came, then execution continued to line number 17. Now if you see, I got the error. Assignment to constant variable wrong. So uncut type error. If you click on this, now you can see where is the error we have also. So this initialization is not allowed to any constant variable after the declaration. Okay, we have to initialize the value during declaration only. Okay, so whenever you want to declare any constant in your logic, you can simply use const. Means if you want some value which cannot be changed at all in the logic execution, then you can declare that as a const. Okay, it cannot be updated or cannot be reinitialized with a new value. Thank you. Stay tuned for next session.